Hello dear video viewers and my dear eager listeners, welcome back to my Facebook page as well as my YouTube channel. How are you doing today? I hope that you all are passing a good time, but I am not well because I am suffering from fever, cough, sore throat from last Friday, so that is why now I'm feeling very bad. But okay, so right now I'm here at 5 number ghat, or you can say it's a 5 nong ghat. People usually who live in Naranganj know this place as 5 number ghat. Okay, so in the morning I went to my college, and after finish my college then I have come here. Although I'm not feeling well, but in order to making video I have come to this place. And this place located near at the Shitolokha river. As you can see in my behind, the river Shitolokha is located. Okay, so now I'm here sitting and spending a good quality time. There are so many people roaming here, but I'm feeling very nervous to make this video, but still I'm making. So it's very funny thing. I always try to make videos in public place so that I can overcome my mistake. Okay, so my exam will start from tomorrow, but I'm suffering from fever, cough, sore throat. So it's very bad condition for me. I can't give attention to my study. In last day I was sleeping from morning to afternoon, so it's very bad situation. I need, I have come here to making video. I think after making this video I will go to my home and then take rest for a while, and from afternoon to till at night I will study hard, because my city exam will start from tomorrow, and I have 4 exams tomorrow. Although the exam is just 20 marks, but still it's 4 subjects exam, so yeah, a lot of pressure on me. I need to pass in every subject. As you know that in my last half yearly exam I have failed 4 subjects out of 7. So my parents has a lot of expectation to me, so I need to fulfill that expectation. Okay, so if I talk something about this place, as you can see in my behind, there is a canal. You can see it's a kind of canal. Okay, so let's give you interesting information to all of you. Okay, so in Naranganj you can find 3 transport in one place. Okay, like bus, train and railway. So you can't find these facilities in other district. It's just only find in Naranganj. So people who live in Naranganj, that's why they feel proud, because they have just only 3 transport qualities in one place. So it's a very big, it's a good facilities in Naranganj district. Okay, so nothing to say. I'm just trying to make videos so that I can share this video in my Facebook page as well as my YouTube channel. As you know that I have created a YouTube channel few days earlier, and I know nowadays people accept my videos in good way. They support me. They a lot of people message me how can they improve in their English. But as you know that I'm still learning English. Although I have a good position in learning English, because my pronunciation is very well. I can speak English with fluently, although it's not as much fluent, but I can say it's fluent. But still I have a lot of things so that I can in order to improve in English. Okay, so as you can see I'm here. Okay, what can I say more than that? I don't have anything to say. Okay, I don't want to make it more longer. Thanks for watching. All the very best.